Welcome to my in-depth review of Global Legal Post, an online platform dedicated to providing legal professionals and enthusiasts with the latest news, expert opinions, and insights from the world of law. Today, I'll be walking you through its interface, exploring its standout features, and sharing my personal user experience to help you decide if it's worth your time and attention. When you first visit Global Legal Post, the homepage greets you with a clean and professional layout. It immediately showcases trending legal news, major developments in global regulations, and featured articles. The top navigation bar is organized with categories like news, analysis, opinion, and events, making it easy to dive into specific sections of interest. For those seeking in-depth coverage, the Analysis tab is particularly impressive, offering detailed breakdowns of current legal issues and trends. Scrolling further down, you'll find a section dedicated to top stories. These stories often include interviews with legal experts and discussions on how global events impact the legal industry. The search functionality on the website is robust, allowing users to filter by region, topic, or even specific contributors. This is a great tool for legal professionals who need to stay updated on specialized areas of practice. The opinion section is another standout feature. It offers thought-provoking articles from experienced lawyers and legal scholars, providing unique perspectives on the challenges and opportunities in modern law. Whether you're a seasoned attorney or a law student, this section is something to offer for everyone. Now let's talk about user experience. The website is responsive and works seamlessly on both desktop and mobile devices. Navigation is smooth, and each article is well formatted, with clear headings, related images, and a summary of key points. Ads are present but not overly intrusive, which helps maintain a professional feel. Another noteworthy aspect is the events section. It lists upcoming webinars, conferences, and networking opportunities tailored for legal professionals. This is a great resource for staying connected with the global legal community and enhancing professional development. The subscription options on Global Legal Post deserve a mention. While much of the content is free to access, premium subscriptions unlock exclusive articles and additional resources. For those deeply invested in staying ahead in the legal field, this premium access might be a worthwhile investment. Overall, Global Legal Post stands out as a reliable and informative platform for anyone involved in or interested in the legal industry. Its blend of news, analysis, and expert opinions makes it a one-stop shop for legal insights. If you're a legal professional looking for a go-to source for global legal updates, this website could be a valuable addition to your daily routine. Thank you for watching this review. If you found it helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel for more honest reviews and user experience breakdowns. See you in the next video.